So now we're going to talk about the environmental implication of burning fossil fuels. So one is greenhouse gases. So when we use fossil fuels to heat our homes, provide energy for industry, and generate electric energy, our cars and trucks burn millions of liters of gasoline daily. All of these combustion reactions release millions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So what effect do all of these carbon dioxides have on the Earth's atmosphere? So some scientists agree that carbon dioxide is an important to life on Earth. All living creatures, including plants, produce it naturally. In fact, all living things produce carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane. These are known as natural greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases trap in the Earth's atmosphere trap in heat in the Earth's atmosphere to prevent heat from escaping into space. They also help maintain the average global temperature of 15 degrees Celsius, and so without them the average global temperature would be much cooler, around negative 15 degrees Celsius. So global climate change. Throughout Earth's history, there have been intervals of warming and cooling. Scientists are concerned about the current long-term trend towards global warming. Accompanying this trend is a dramatic increase in extreme climatic events. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, and climate zones are shifting. The real threat is the rate at which this climate change is occurring. Climates are changing much faster than in the Earth's past. Scientists point out that many species of organisms will not be able to adapt to such fast changes. These organisms may become extinct. Some people believe that climate change is a natural phenomenon. They note that the Earth has gone through many ice ages with shorter periods of warming and cooling between them, and the Earth and its species will just adjust. So air pollution. Carbon dioxide is not the only chemical substance that human activities add to the air. Many other chemicals in the air cause harm to living things or the environment. Many other chemicals in the air, these chemicals are called pollutants. So air pollutants cause problems such as asthma, headaches, and irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat. They can also aggravate heart and lung conditions. Even worse, air pollutants can combine with each other to produce acid precipitation or rainwater that has become more acidic. The more accurate term for this phenomenon is acid deposition, since dry matter as well as precipitation causes these acids. So, acid deposition. So, we have a natural form of acid deposition. So, when volcanoes erupt, they release carbon dioxide and water vapor. They also release that should be sulfur dioxide gas and nitrous oxides into the atmosphere. These gases mix with water vapor in the clouds to form diluted sulfurous and nitric acids. Forest fires release carbon dioxide and water vapor, and the burning of wood also releases nitrogen oxide and some sulfur oxide into the atmosphere. Both of these gases react with rainwater to produce acid deposition. So humans also contribute to acid deposition. So nitrous oxides are emitted from car exhaust and react with rainwater to form nitric acid, and industrialized smokestacks release sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, which react with rainwater to make acid deposition. So there we go. It's a little bit more information about why we should reduce the amount of fossil fuels that we burn.